Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. This is the last week of August, guys. This is the last week. So it's Monday. So I'm just going to go on a quick analysis as I already done with the weekly analysis. Actually, you can go check that out. We done with that actually yesterday, right? So what's really happening on the market? It's still Monday. We don't really know much, but I think the market will continue from the uptrend, from the bounce that we had from Friday. The market was actually trying to bounce back, right? So before we continue to anything, you can easily see that today actually we don't really have any economic news. Tomorrow, not really important. Wednesday we have non-farm employment change, ADP. This one actually most important. We will see gold and also the likes of NASDAQ also pushing a little bit. We have GDP quarter over quarter. Also, this will actually move the market on Wednesday. So Thursday we have unemployment claims and PCE. This is also very important because actually it's also part of inflation index, right? So Friday it's NFP because it will be the 1st of September. Actually, it's going to be the end of the month actually. So let's see what we have. So yeah, we have some services that we offer, guys. Now you can actually join. This is at the end of the month actually. Special. If you want to join lifetime, you can join by $150 until month end. Lifetime is actually $250, but if you want to join it until month end, actually until the 1st of September, you can join it for $150. We will never go to those smaller prices, guys. Those $20, they will never come back ever. So besides that, we have bootcamp, online bootcamp, where we're going to actually have an excessive training for Forex. Whether you are a new or maybe intermediate or you just want to improve your skills, then yeah, you are welcome to join us. It's actually $29. Let me know. You can also WhatsApp me. Let me know. There's a link actually in the description if you want to talk to me. So you will let me know if you are interested. So let's go straight to the market. This is USD ZAR. I don't know if you can see this ZAR there. Let me just change that very quick. Let me just change that very quick. Yeah, now maybe it will be much better. Yeah, you can see it's USD ZAR. It's 4 hours time frame. What's really happening on a bigger time frame? We are actually going not really that big, but it's 4 hours time frame. Remember, we are day traders. We can easily see that yes, the market is actually pushing to the upside from this point here. You can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is actually trying to push to the upside. Now, I'm expecting the market to do what? Already the market is doing this. I'm expecting the market to continue pushing to the upside. So since we did not really see this, I just saw that this now, we're not going to jump on this, so we're gonna wait and see if maybe we're gonna have something. Then maybe we will jump on that. If not, maybe we will see the market breaking out. But it seems like this uptrend is a bit stronger, so I'm still expecting actually the dollar to push to the upside. So let's push to the next one. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you are new to this channel, just know that you are welcomed. And we actually do this every day, Monday to Friday, or actually weekdays, Monday to Friday, right? And on Sundays we have weekly analysis. So now we have a very nice structure on GBPUSD. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside. These are areas where the market actually respected. So it's quite straightforward that the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside. If maybe the market doesn't really respect our point number 3 there, or this structure there, it means maybe the market will be trying to do what? To push the lower side. But it seems like the market will be bouncing back. So on this one, we're not supposed to miss that. We are not supposed to miss that. So we have to smash the market up around this area, especially once the market bounces back. Once the market bounces back, we will be ready. We will be ready. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to have a very nice buy pending order, and this can be a swing trade. The market can actually push up for quite some time, but what I know is most of the time the market will just play around this area, consolidate, and some people, they will be scared, then they will get out. Then two days later the market is around this area and you'll say, whoa, I saw that, but unfortunately you did not really take that, right? So let's push to the next one. Oh, sorry. Actually, on GBP USD, we're just waiting for the market to do what? To bounce back. We are waiting for the market to bounce back as we are actually on an uptrend. Besides that, maybe the market will break out, but we will have to see that. If the market breaks out, we're not going to be in a hurry. We have to make sure that is a pure breakout. That's why I'm not really worried about breaking out, because I'll have to wait for the candlestick to close below that, sometimes a retest, all those things. But on an uptrend, the market can just bounce back very quick. So on this one, you can just make a notification here. Once the market starts to cross that, you will actually know that the market is crossing. Then you're not going to miss that. So now we are actually on euro. Oh no, we need to eat on this one. It's like euro USD now is pushing up. So what's really happening? The market is, you can see, I'm zooming. You can see that the market is actually giving us some very nice structure there. The market is giving us some very nice structure. It seems like I see a bullish candlestick is trying to form there. I think I see a nice structure. You can see. This one is just obvious. If you saw it from back here, I don't think you're going to miss when the market is going to bounce here. Maybe you can miss this one here, but you're not going to miss this and this one. So this one is actually obvious. So we actually have to do what? We have to eat there. Why? We're following the threads, guys. Unless if maybe the market breaks out, then we can say maybe the market is ready to do its thing. But for now, I think the market is actually doing what? The market is just showing us that I'm about to bounce back. On top of there, I think the market is also creating something. Let's try to connect that. It seems like the market is trying to do something like that. Yeah, I can see something like this. No, but I think that is way too far. Let's try this one here. Yeah, you see this one? I think this can make sense. I think if maybe the market wants to break, if maybe you are afraid just to buy instantly, what I can say is maybe you can just wait for the market to do what? To break out of this resistance. Then the market will be pushing up. But if you trust this support area, I think we can just jump on that. But the best thing that you can do is to wait for the market. You can see that the market actually respected these areas several times. So there is a chance that the market can touch this area and start to bounce back. There is a chance. So for you to be on the right side of the market, I think it's better wait for the market to break out, then we can still have a very nice buy. Don't be afraid, guys. This thing of always jumping on the market unnecessarily, then you regret it later. It's not really right. Wait for the market. The market is not going anywhere. Wait. Learn to wait, right? So wait for the market to break this area, then you can enter around that area, and the market can still fly. It's not like just because you did not really enter on the support, it's like you're not going to eat. Hey, you can still eat. Just look at this area where maybe we think maybe the market can touch and maybe try to push lower. It's far, like seriously far. So if you enter around this area, I think you can still make more. I'm talking about those who trade currency pairs, because I actually trade in NASDAQ. So yes, but in the group we also send some signals for currency pairs and stuff. So we wait for confirmations, and this makes us to not have like multiple positions. We don't have like 10 signals per day. Why? Because we wait for confirmations, you see. So now we are actually on gold. What's really happening on gold? On gold, if I go on a daily time frame, you can see that the market was on a very nice uptrend. This is quite straightforward. You can see that the market used to respect these areas. Guess what? The market actually broke out around that area. But the question is, are we continuing with that bullish momentum, or maybe the market is just want to retest there? Maybe the market just wants to retest. Let's push, you will see. Maybe the market wants to retest around this area where it broke out before maybe continuing going lower. That is also possible, because after the breakout, actually, the market just kept pushing lower, even though the market was just creating some crazy candlesticks. We never had that proper reversal. Then this is the first one. We don't know if maybe the market will push lower. If it will go above that area, we will be sure that now it's time for us to look for continuous buy. If not, it means the market maybe will be trying to do what? To reverse. Maybe the market wants to continue on that downtrend, because now we can call this actually a downtrend, because the market actually broke out. You can see where the market broke out. You see that? This is where the market broke out. This area, it's where the market broke out. So let me just mark this area. This is where the market broke out. Maybe the market will come again this point, retest there, then maybe push to the lower side. But besides that, we also have our smaller structure. That we are actually working with currently. You can see that actually, let me just go on maybe 1 hour for you to see. 1 hour, yeah. You can see that, yes, the market is doing what? The market is actually going to the upside. So let's see. The market is actually pushing to the upside slower. So now what we have here, we have the structure where the market respected. So the market seems to be going down. It might respect this diagonal support, or maybe around this area before pushing to the upside. But what we want is, we want to see if the market will be going back to that breakout and continue. But for now, we will be actually sticking to this smaller uptrend. And if maybe the market is on a support, we'll try to smash that. If not, maybe we'll see the market pushing lower. But we still have some structures. We can say, you see this area, we can say if maybe the market breaks this diagonal, it's fine. We can wait for the market to break this support. Then if it breaks that, we can say this is a change of a character, or change of a trend, of this smaller trend. Then maybe the market now wants to push to the lower side. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So let's go straight to US30. What's really happening? We smashed this actually on Friday. Come on. 4 hours, man. I need 4 hours. 4 hours. Okay. Now we are on US30. Hey, 4 hours is too small for this. Let's see. Okay. Now we are actually on a daily time frame. You can see the market is giving us some very nice uptrend. Even if you don't know anything about trends, you can easily see this. This is a very nice trend. You can see the market is just moving like this. Obviously, we expect the market to do what? To continue, and already is doing that. The market is continuing, pushing to the upside. So now our job is to go closer and see where we can continue buying. Already actually in some trades. So our job is to do what? Is to actually wait and see what's really happening. I think around this area we have something like that. Yeah, something like that. Because even on the bottom side, we also had something like that. I hope you see that. I hope you see this. We had something like this. Let me just make this a proper line. This is a trend. You see, we had something like this. So actually, it seems like the market will do what? Might respect this area and push lower, then until maybe the market bounces back again. So our job is to wait and see. If it pushes lower from this area, we can get out, but we can re-enter our trades actually if the market is going to continue from that area. From there, I think then the market will be trying to fly. But what I know is the market will just play games just to make us not to take advantage of this bullish momentum. I think the market will still push to the upside, but the market will try to go up and sideways. Then we lose that hope. Boom, the market pushed to the upside. I still expect the market will break this area. Maybe when the market opens, we'll see. Then we will have some very nice trades in the group, not here, in the group. That's why we said you should join the group. So that's what I see actually on US30. So you can see that structure. You can see that structure. Yes, the market can still continue pushing up, but we have to check these structures because the market respects those. The market respects these structures. You can see the market respected that. So we don't really have to just lose our profits just because we say it's an up trend or something like that. So now we are actually on NASDAQ, the one and only, my favorite actually. I like trading NASDAQ, and I like it because I actually make money from NASDAQ. The other ones I still make money, but just because I'm not really used to them, I actually don't really have enough confidence and I end up losing. That's the power of focusing on one thing. You start to develop that confidence and you understand the moves, right? So what's really happening here? You can easily see that we have some very nice push to the upside. This is a very proper uptrend. I hope everyone can see that. So if we go closer on a 4 hours time frame, let's see our 4 hours time frame there. It's actually straightforward. The market was pushing down aggressively, so we reached actually our support area. You can see that the market was pushing actually lower. Then the market created this actually aggressive push to the upside. But I like this structure because it seems like it's obvious that the market will be going back again. And since we had a buy, down there, so I'm still expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. So now my job is to do what? I can see that the market found something as a smaller resistance, actually a smaller resistance. You can see that the market found something there. So what you can do is you can say, okay, it's fine, I can take out, but I will be back. I will be back with another entry above that resistance, and we are ready to do what? To fly again. I think that makes sense. We will be ready to do what? To continue buying. Getting out here and buying here, you don't actually lose anything. You're not losing anything. But since we are day traders, we have to do that. Get in, get out, get in, get out. The aim is to grow that smaller accounts. We have smaller accounts, guys. We can't lie and say, oh, we have $1 million. No, we have smaller accounts, and we have to make sure that those accounts grow very nice, you see. So anyways, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Don't forget that if you want to join our bootcamp, here it is, here 7 days, $29, guys. This is a proper stuff if you want to learn. If maybe you've been losing, you've been trading, but you're not really consistent. Some, they know what they're doing every day, but they're still losing. They can't make profit consistently. They make profit today, tomorrow it goes. They make profit in 2 days, in the other day the profit just goes away. You know how to trade, but you don't know how to keep those profits. That is also the problem, and we're going to learn about stuff like that, how to be consistent in the market. So for those who wants to be part of the team with signals, here are our signals. I said, guys, you can join our lifetime for $450. Actually, that you can see it's actually 12 months, but I will be giving you a lifetime for that. So anyways, this is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.